Hello 8th class, welcome back. In our previous classes, we were doing multiplication of algebraic expression. In that, we have covered multiplication of a monomial with a monomial, monomial with a polynomial. In this class, we are going to learn how to multiply a binomial with another binomial, and second, we are going to learn how to multiply a binomial with a trinomial. For getting a feel of what does it mean by binomial and binomial multiplication, we are going to take a simple example. Suppose we want to do a plus b into b plus c. It is going to be like this. You will take the first term of first binomial and you will multiply this with this binomial, whole binomial. Then you will use the sign. If it is plus, you will write plus. If it is minus, you will write minus. And after that, you will multiply this term with this whole binomial. What do we mean by that? We will write, first step is going to be a into b plus c. Okay, then plus b into b plus c, and by this step 1 we converted it into multiplication of monomial with a binomial, in fact multiplication of monomial with binomial and then addition of that. So it is going to be a into b plus a into c. As we know, it is going to be b into b plus b into c. It will come out to be AB plus AC plus B square and BC, and this is going to be our answer. Similarly, if we have a binomial and a trinomial, so we will write the binomial first. Even if it is given later on as a second expression, we will write binomial first. And suppose our trinomial is a plus b plus c. So, or maybe x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. What we will do, we will multiply this first term of this binomial with whole of this trinomial, then with this term with whole of this trinomial. What do we mean by that? A into x plus y plus z, and whatever sign we have in the term, second term, we will use that sign. So it will be plus 2 plus b xb plus x plus y plus z. It is going to be a into x. Now it has converted into multiplication of monomial and trinomial, which we know by heart, and it is like this: a into x plus this sign a into y plus this sign a into z plus b into x plus b into y plus b into z. For a neat work, we will write it as ax plus ay plus az plus bx plus by plus bz, and this is going to be our answer. Now we are going to start with exercise 9.4, in which you will be solving more questions like this. Exercise 9.4. We are going to start with question number 1. In question number 1, we have to multiply binomial with binomial, and the first part is this into 4x minus 3. So it is going to be like this: 2x first term into this into 4x minus 3. Okay, this we are writing as it is, plus 5 here, okay, into 4x minus 3. Okay, now we have converted it into product of monomial and binomial. We can do simple calculation: 2x into 4x minus 2x into 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 5 into 3. It is going to be product of coefficients 8 into product of factors minus 3 to the 6 product of coefficients into factor plus product of coefficient is going to be 20 minus x and 5 3 is a 15. It is x into x is going to be x square minus 6x plus 20x. Now 6x and 20x, they are like terms because the variable part is same. So we will calculate the coefficient. Minus 6 plus 20. Minus 6 plus 20 is going to be plus 14. X minus 15. Okay, 20 minus 6 is 14. So this is going to be our answer. This was question number 1, part 1. After that, we are going to do part 3. Part 2 is exactly same as this. Part 3 we are going to do. In part 3 we have decimals. 2.5L minus 0.5M multiply 2.5L plus 0.5M. First step that we are going to do is we will remove the decimals. After that, we will follow the rule of multiplication of binomial with another binomial, that is multiplication of this with whole, then multiplication of this with whole. It is going to be 25 by 10L into this whole, 25 by 10L plus 5 by 10M. Then they are going to pick the second term. It is minus 5 by 10M, which is going to be 25 by 10L plus 5 by 10M. Now we will multiply. It is going to be 25 by 10L into 25 by 10L plus sine 25 by 10L into 5 by 10M minus, we are going to multiply this with this, minus 5 by 10M into 25 by 10L. Minus is with this term, so we are going to keep minus 5 by 10M into 5 by 10M. Now the simplification part, this is going to be product of coefficient. Product of coefficient 25 into 25 is going to be 625 by 100. L into L is going to be L square. Again 25 into 5 is going to be 75. 125 sorry. 100 upon my 100. Lm minus 25 into 5. 125 by 100 into ml. ml and lm are the same. You can rearrange and write lm. Then write minus 525 by 100 m square. Okay. Now 125, this term and this term are like terms because variable part is same. Moreover, their coefficient part is negative of one another. 125 by 100 minus 125 by 100 means they are going to cancel out each other. We are left with this and this part. We are going to use this numbers to put decimals in this number, and we are going to be left with 6.25 L square minus 6.25 L square minus 0.25 m square. This is going to be our answer. Next we are going to do sixth part of question number 1. In this we have 3 by 4 plus 3b square. This into 4 a square minus 2 by 3 b square. Okay. To simplify this, you will write first binomial as it is. You will open the bracket for this one. It will be 4a square minus 4 into 2, 8 by 3b square. Okay. Next is, you will multiply this term with the whole binomial, which is going to be 3 by 4 a square into 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square plus 3b square multiply with 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. 3 by 4 a square into 4 a square first term minus 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. Now moving on to this, 3b square into 4a square minus, because there is minus in between these two terms, minus 3b square into 8 by 3b square. Now we are going to solve the coefficient part. We can cancel this 4 with this 3 with this 2 and this 3 with this. We are left with 3a square minus 2a square b square plus 4 3s are 12b square a square and minus 8b square b square. A square into a square is going to be a to the power 4, because power get added when we are multiplying the variables. Now these are like terms, a square b square, a square b square. So we will calculate the coefficient. Plus 12 minus 2, it is going to be plus 10 a square b square, and this term is going to be minus 8 b to the power 4, and this is going to be our answer. Moving on to question number 2. We have to find the product of two binomials. Again, and it is written like this. Question number 2, first part. It is written like this: 5 minus 2x bracket 3 plus x. When the two binomials are written like this, then it is obvious that we have to multiply these two, and the formula will be, the method will be 5 into 3 plus x, this minus 2x into 3 plus x. Okay. Now we will multiply this monomial with the whole expression. It is going to be 5 into 3 plus 5 into x. Okay, we are done with this. Now this, it is, the term is minus 2x. We have to multiply minus 2x with this plus multiply minus 2x with this. So we are going to write minus 2x into 3 minus 2x into x. It is going to be 15 plus 5x minus 3 2s are 6, product of coefficients, minus 2xx, which is going to be x square. It is going to be x square. Now these two are like terms. We will write the variable part as it is. Solve the number part. 5 minus 6 is going to be minus 1, and minus 1x is same as minus x, minus 2x square. So it is going to be 15 minus x minus 2x square. This is going to be our answer. Now next part of the same question is x plus 7 by 7x minus y. Same method. Into 7x minus x into y plus 7x into 7y minus 7y into y. This is going to be 7x into x square minus xy plus 49xy minus 7y square y by 7x square. Now it is going to be 48xy because these are like terms. We can perform the calculation on number part, numerical part, minus 7y square. This is our answer. We are going to do one more part of this, that is fourth part. Then we will move on to question number 3. Fourth part is p square minus q square bracket 2p plus q. It will be equal to p square into 2p plus q minus q square, this whole term, into 2p plus q. Okay, it will be p square into 2p plus p square into q minus q square. We have to use minus q square now. 2p minus q square into q. It is going to be 2p square p plus p square q minus 2pq square minus q square q. Now p square into p is going to be p cube plus p square q minus 2p square. Now look carefully, these are not the like terms. In it we have p square q, in it we have pq square. So be a little vigilant while performing calculation on like terms, minus q cube. So this is your answer result. Question number 3 we have to simplify. Question number 3, simplify. Next we are going to do question number 3. In question number 3 we have the simplification of given expression x square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. So you will find the product of these two binomials first and you will add this number. It will be equal to x square into x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. X square into x, now we are going to solve it, plus x square into 5 minus, you have to take minus sign also, minus 5 into x minus 5 into 5 plus 25. X square into x is going to be x to the power 3 plus, we will write the coefficient first, minus 5x minus 25 plus 25, minus 25 and plus 25 will cancel out each other and we are left with x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. It is going to be answer for first part. Now second one is a square plus 5 b q plus 3 plus 5. We will multiply a square with the second binomial, that is b cube plus 3. Then use the second term of first binomial, multiply it with the second binomial and add 5. We are going to get a square into b cube plus a square into 3 And the second product we are going to get b into 5 into b cube plus 5 into 3 plus 5. We are left with b square a square b cube plus 3 because we have to write the coefficients first. So it is going to be 3a square instead of a square 3. Then 5b cube plus 15 plus 5 a square b cube plus 3a square. There are no other like terms than these two. So we will calculate these two and we will get 20, and this is going to be our end result. Similarly, C part is same. We are going to move on to D part, fourth part. In fourth part, we have a complicated looking expression and it is like this. Question number 3, fourth part. A plus B, C minus D. A minus B, C plus D plus 2 AC plus BD. Okay. We will use what we already know about the product of binomials. Nothing new. A into C minus D plus B into C minus D. We are done with first two binomials, and we will move on to next one. A into C plus D minus B into C plus D plus 2 AC plus 2 BD. Next, we are going to further simplify it. A into C minus A into D, B into C plus B into minus D plus A into C plus A into D minus B into C minus B into D plus 2AC plus 2BD. Okay, now we are going to make it a little neat by removing the multiplication sign. AC minus AD plus BC minus BD plus AC plus AD minus BC minus BD plus 2AC plus 2BD. Now we have to look for the like terms, AC like term, AC, then AC and AC. Okay, so it is AC plus AC plus 2AC. We are done with this. Next is AD minus AD, AD, okay, minus AD plus AD, and any more AD? No, and no. So they will cancel each other. Then next is BC. So plus BC. Like term to BC is going to be minus BC. Another BC? No. So they will cancel out each other. We have taken these into consideration. Now we have BDs. Okay, plus minus BD, this one. Okay, minus BD plus 2BD. Okay, so for AC, we will write the variable part and add the coefficients. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 0, 0. And here we have plus minus 2BD plus 2BD, which is going to be 0. And we are left with only one term, that is 4AC. Now we are moving on to, this was fourth part, we will move on to fifth part. In fifth part, we have x plus y into 2x plus y plus x plus 2y into x minus y. Same rule. I'll just solve it for you. Now we will combine the like terms. This is going to be our answer. We are going to do seventh and eighth part, which are important. 6 we can do. You can do by yourself. 7th and 8th. I hope I have skipped some step in this. I hope you can do that by yourself and then check your answers with my answer. Seventh part is 1.5 x minus 4y into 1.5 x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5 x plus 12y. Alright. We have decimals. We can do two things. First one is we can remove the decimal in first step only, or we can keep the decimals and we will remove decimal when we need to multiply the coefficients. We can use either method. So what I am going to do, I am going to keep the decimals. Oh no, I am going to remove the decimals. Okay. So it is going to be 15 by 10x minus 4y 1.5 15 by 10x plus 4y plus 3 minus 45 by 10x plus 12y. Now I am going to multiply these expressions, polynomials. 15 by 10x into 15 by 10x plus 4y plus 3. Second term is minus 4y, so I am going to multiply it with the trinomial given 15x plus 4y plus 3 minus 45 by 10x plus 12y as it is. Here we will get 15 by 10x into 15 by 10x plus multiplication with next term, which is going to be 15 by 10x into 4y multiplication with next term 15 by 10x into 3. Alright. Now next one is 4y into 15 by 10x 4y into 4y minus 4y into 3. I am keeping my negative sign with 4y in all the three terms. Remember to do that. Plus 12y. Now next is I am going to combine 225. I am going to multiply the coefficients x square and variables also, plus 15 4. It is going to be 2 to the 4, 2 5 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 6. 6y x. 6xy. Or we can simplify these also. 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 3 is a 15, 5 2 is a 10. This is going to be 9 by 4. Next is 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15. This is 9 by 2. X, only x. Yes. Next one is 2, 3, 2. 6xy minus 16y square minus 12y, then 9y 2x plus 12y. Now we are going to combine the like terms. X square like terms we don't have any, so we'll write it alone. Then this we have written. Now the like term to y square is along 2. Next we are going to write for xy. 6xy minus 6xy, they will cancel each other. Now next term to similar to 9 by 2x is going to be minus, they are going to cancel out also. Okay, we don't need to write that, and we are they are also cancelling each other, so we are just left with this one, and this is going to be our answer. Now last part is part 8 of question number 3rd. This is also important one. In it we have to do a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. In fact, I should do it here. A plus b plus c, a plus b plus minus c. Both are trinomials. So we will start with first term of our expression, multiply this with whole of the trinomial. Then I will pick my second term of the trinomial, multiply it with the whole of trinomial. After that I will pick third and multiply with the whole. So it will look like this: a into a plus b minus c plus b into a plus b minus c plus c into a plus b minus c, which will be equal to a into a plus a into b minus a into c. Similarly, next multiplication, b into a plus b into b minus b into c plus c into a plus c into b minus c into c. We are going to simplify it a bit. A square plus ab minus ac plus ab plus b square minus bc plus ca plus cb minus c square. We are going to write a square first, then plus b square and minus c square. These are not like term, but I have written them first. Then a like term to ab and ab plus ab. They are like terms. I am putting them in bracket. Then ac and ac, we can cancel them out. AB I have already taken into consideration. I am left with minus BC and plus BC, they will cancel each other. So it is a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab, and this is going to be our answer for this part. With this, we have completed exercise 9.4. In our next exercise 9.5, we are going to talk about identities and how to use those identities in solving complicated expressions. Goodbye. Have a nice day.